In the dark corners of tropical jungles, a silent horror unfolds. No, it's not from a sci-fi movie. It's real, and it's happening to insects. Meet Cordyceps, the terrifying zombie fungus. It all begins with a tiny spore drifting through the air. When it lands on an unsuspecting ant, it burrows into its body, and the invasion begins. Slowly, the fungus spreads through the ant's tissues, hijacking its nervous system. The ant, still alive, starts acting strange, climbing high up a plant away from its colony. Then, in its final act, the ant clamps its jaws onto a leaf and waits. Inside, the fungus grows, until finally, a stalk bursts from the ant's head. Spores rain down, ready to infect others. The ant is dead, but the fungus lives on, spreading like a parasite, turning more ants into mindless puppets. This is Cordyceps, nature's real-life zombie maker. Terrifying, fascinating, real. Zombie fungi. Cordyceps, point-wise explanation. 1. What is Cordyceps? Cordyceps is a genus of parasitic fungi that infects insects and other arthropods. It invades the host's body, kills or controls it, and then emerges from the body to release spores. Found mainly in tropical forests, especially in Asia and South America. 2. How does it create zombies? The fungus releases chemicals that alter the host's behavior, e.g., ants climbing to high leaves. It paralyzes and kills the insect after controlling it to move to a favorable spore-releasing location. The fungal stalk erupts from the host's body, releasing new spores. 3 key stages in infection. Spore lands on insect. Fungal hyphae invade body and organs. Fungus reaches brain or nervous tissue. Behavioral manipulation. Host climbs to a high place, summit disease. Host locks into position and dies. Fungal fruiting body grows out of the insect. Spores spread, repeating the cycle. 4. Cordyceps versus Ophiocordyceps. Previously, all were under Cordyceps. Now split into. Cordyceps, mostly non-zombie, grows on insects or plants without behavior change. Ophiocordyceps includes the true zombie fungi. Let's explore the real mind-controlling fungi, the zombie makers of the insect world. First up, Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. It infects ants, especially the Campanota species, forcing them to climb leaves and bite down, before a fungal stalk erupts from their heads. This is the classic zombie fungus. Next, Ophiocordyceps australis. It targets various ants, altering their behavior and leading them to die in high places, ready to spread more spores. Then, Ophiocordyceps campanoti rufipedis. This fungus infects Campanotus rufipes ants with precise control, turning them into mindless climbers before death. Now, Ophiocordyceps sinensis. It infects caterpillars underground, but does not change their behavior. Simply kills and grows from their bodies. Kill host underground. Finally, Cordyceps militaris. This one infects moth pupae. There's no brain control, no climbing, just death and growth. Not a zombie fungus. So remember, only some fungi are true mind controllers. The rest, just deadly passengers. 5. Non-zombie Cordyceps types. Cordyceps militaris. Grows on dead larvae or pupae. Used in supplements. Cordyceps sinensis. Valued in traditional Chinese medicine. Found in Himalayan regions. These fungi do not control behavior, just consume the host. 6. Importance of zombie fungi. Helps control insect populations in ecosystems. A fascinating case of evolutionary adaptation and behavioral manipulation. Inspires biological research, zombie fiction, and even medicines. Summary. Zombie fungi are mostly species of Ophiocordyceps. Not all cordyceps fungi are zombies. The most famous is Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, which infects ants. These fungi showcase real-life mind control in nature.